This is me, Aakif. Today, I'm going to teach you some parts of motorcycle. I have a motorcycle. Okay, I'll show you. This is my motorcycle. It has so wood, and we can move the handle, and there is hydraulic brake, and this is the light. It works. And why do you know why they written this that danger? Because there is some things. If I shake it like this, or I like this, if I break it, if it fall down like this, this is floor and this is motorcycle. It's fall down, and the motorcycle will bust. Okay, motorcycle will bust, and this is the glass of front, and this is the brake. Brake is rubber. The brake, they made the rubber by they made the brake by rubber, and this is also rubber, and this I know. This is also rubber. It will not break, and this is indicator. This is also indicator, and this is also rubber, and it will be like this. Look, okay, and it has the engine. I'll show you in it. It's spin. My motorcycle. I have many cars, but maximum cars is in the name is spring. Okay, spring, and it will instant. And do you know what is for this? What is this for? This is for if my motorcycle be hot, then the hot air will go left from here, and they also give some nut. It is an actual reality motorcycle. We can ride by motorcycle on way, okay, road, okay, and this is the gear, and this is also the gear. In back there is also the hydraulic brake. In front that is also hydraulic brake, and behind this motorcycle, who is this? This is me, Aakif. Today I showed you that what is there in reality motorcycle. Okay, and this all for today. Bye bye.